But Shashi Tharoor saying for them nation comes first, but for some people Prime Minister Modi comes first. Shashi Tharoor has now shared a cryptic post on his social media handle saying, "Don't ask permission to fly." My colleague Hina has more on this. Hina, over to you.
Well, Shreya, when it comes to Dr. Shashi Tharoor, he knows what he is speaking about. He uses his words very, very carefully. And that's why it is important to look at what he has posted right now on social media platform X. He says, "Don't ask permission to fly. The wings are yours and the sky belongs to no one." And here he's got a picture of a bird out there. Is he hinting at perhaps, looking at the sky and perhaps switching sides? We don't really know, because, this reaction of Dr. Shashi Tharoor, Shreya, has come just moments after the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, in fact, launched a direct attack on Dr. Shashi Tharoor. And after that, remember, he didn't mince any words, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. And after that, we have this reaction coming in from Dr. Shashi Tharoor. We already know that all has not really been well between Dr. Shashi Tharoor and the Congress party. A lot has been going on in the last few days, we have seen happening in the last few days, and how Congress party was also not very happy when, Centre picked up Dr. Shashi Tharoor to actually represent India in one of the 7 delegations as far as the outreach mission after Op Sindoor is concerned. And after this kind of post that he has put out clearly, has led to a lot of curiosity. Of course, he can only tell us what this means, but there are some speculations that are, going on. Perhaps Niyamika, my colleague, can help us understand what really this means.
Absolutely, Hina. We will, of course, get in a word from Niyamika as well. But as far as this cryptic post is concerned, viewers, remember this comes amid how Shashi Tharoor had written an article praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi and saying that his willingness to engage remains a primary asset for India, but he doesn't have the deserving greater backing back home, and that perhaps has ruffled a few feathers within the Congress party. We'll have to, of course, wait and watch if and when Shashi Tharoor does elaborate on that post. But a very cryptic but a rather telling post that has come out of Shashi Tharoor's social media account. But listen in to what Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge had said.
अरे मैं तो अंग्रेजी मेरे को पढ़ने नहीं आता, उनकी लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छी है, उसीलिए तो हम पार्टी में उनको वर्किंग कमेटी मेंबर बनाया है। तो लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि पूरे लोग, अपोजिशन के पूरे लोग मिलके हमने कहा कि देश की आर्मी के साथ है, जो हमारा आर्मी लड़ रहा है उसके साथ है। तो इसीलिए पहला आवाज मैंने उठाया गुलबर्गे के पत्रकार परिषद में। हम बोले कि देश बड़ा है सबसे, देश के लिए हम सभी लोग मिलकर काम करेंगे, पार्टी बात, देश फर्स्ट, हमने कहा।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's joining us for more on this. Niyamika, what do you make out of this post? The fact that Mallikarjun Kharge has completely negated the fact that Shashi Tharoor has also won an election, and he's only said that he's in the Congress CWC because of his oratory skills.
Well, absolutely. The rift within the Congress party has come out in open, as we have seen in the past as well, that how several of the Congress leaders have given certain statements against Mr. Shashi Tharoor, and soon after that, after he returned to the national capital from the all-party delegation visit, he had also praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Even during the visit also, he had given certain statements which doesn't go down well with the Congress party, to which many of the senior Congress leaders, including the Congress General Secretary, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, had also stated that his name was not being given to the names which were being sent to the government of India by the Congress party to be a part of all party delegation. But the manner in which all of these things have taken place now, it is a cryptic post which has been posted by Shashi Tharoor on social media, in which he is trying to give out a message to the Congress High Command as well, because recently only he had given a statement in which he said that there is a difference of opinion within the Congress party, as he will also going to discuss this with the party party high command regarding this.
Niamika, so we'll have to wait and watch if the Congress High Command does respond to this post by Shashi Tharoor. Thanks very much, Niamika, for joining us at the moment. Viewers, we're slipping into a short break at the moment. News and updates will continue.